Hey, welcome back. Today is December 16th, Wednesday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about Uniswap, UNIUSD, as well as doing a quick dive into the overall crypto markets and see how Bitcoin price action could affect altcoins. Now, I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the overall crypto markets really quickly. I do see Bitcoin dominance now up at about 65.4%, up quite significantly since yesterday, a 1% increase in Bitcoin dominance. I do expect it to continue trending upwards in the near future, and when this happens, I would be cautious of my altcoin positions, even though there are still going to be moments where altcoins are tradable, and that's mostly when I think Bitcoin price action is going upwards. However, if Bitcoin price action start pulling back, I do expect altcoins, well, a lot of the altcoins, to have more of a pullback than Bitcoin price action itself. Now, Bitcoin price action currently at about 21.2K. It has broken out of that rising wedge pattern, in my opinion, even shortly after my video just right now earlier, where it was at about 20.8K. So now I'm more convinced that Bitcoin price action is going to continue going upwards. And now let's take a look into Uniswap, UniUSD. Uniswap, since the last time we have spoken, I did mention that there was a possible inverse head and shoulders pattern that could have been forming, where this was the bottom and the head of the pattern. However, there could also be another way of looking at this, which is a possible falling wedge pattern. However, these two, I think, should be differentiated, because if it is a inverse head and shoulders pattern, I do think that's going to take longer for the price action to break out than a falling wedge pattern. Falling wedge patterns, 68% chance of it breaking upwards, and now I do see that the price action is at the upper trend line of this pattern. If it is in fact a falling wedge pattern and it breaks out by tomorrow, okay? So the measured target would be about $4, above $4.80. However, that may or may not be reached. It is only the theoretical measured target. There are still some major resistances between the possible breakout and the measured target, namely the 0.38 fib level at about $4 and the 0.5 fib level at about $4.60, if I can see the number exactly. I can only see the first 2 digits, but about $4.60. These are going to be 2 major resistances, in addition to the measured target may or may not be reached. Okay, so some things to keep in mind. Now, that is my very short evaluation of the Uniswap market. Let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenarios. I think bullish case scenarios, I will have 2. Okay, depending on if this is in fact a falling wedge pattern, then I think that is the more bullish case scenario, because it breaks out faster and price action could actually go up higher at this time. Okay, so let's see if that is actually the case. Let me take that back. So the measured target may not be higher than the actual inverse head and shoulders pattern breakout, okay, because that could the inverse head and shoulders measured target could actually be higher. But the falling wedge pattern, in my opinion, is the more bullish case scenario for today because it breaks out faster. And the measured breakout of that falling wedge pattern is about $4.80, 68% chance of it breaking upwards. That's bullish case scenario number 1. Bullish case scenario number 2, if this in fact is an inverse head and shoulders pattern instead of a falling wedge pattern. Now, how could I actually differentiate between these two patterns? Okay, so how I'm actually going to be looking at it is, if this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, I do think $4 is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Because of past trading history, there has not been too many daily candle closes above this $4 fib level right here. So if the price action does not get a daily candle close above the $4 level, or at least cannot stay above the $4 level, it could get a close like this and then come back down, then I would consider it to be an inverse head and shoulders pattern. But if price action continuously gets daily candle closes and is able to manage to stay above this $4 level on the daily time frame, then I will consider that to be the falling wedge pattern that is playing out. Now, those are my two bullish case scenarios. Let's explore the bearish case scenario. The bearish case scenario, if the price action continues down this falling wedge pattern and increase the likelihood of it breaking down from this falling wedge pattern. Now, we do have some immediate supports, which includes the daily 50 simple moving average right here. I think that could be the last level of major moving average support. Let's check. The daily 50 is at about $3.25. Actually, correction, the 3-day 21 simple moving average is about $3.20. And would that be the last moving average that's right underneath us, at least a major moving average? So that does seem to be the last major moving average on the 3-day time frame, which is very in line with the fib level right here, the 0.23 fib level, about $3.10. So I would say if the price action actually dips below $3.10, I'll be more cautious then and may switch my opinion to more bearish at that time, because that would tell me either this price action will continue more downwards in this falling wedge pattern, or could actually break down from this falling wedge pattern. Now, these are my two case scenarios for today on Uniswap, UNIUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.